Okay, here we're testing two ADG1439 analog multiplexers daisy chained together. They're run from a Raspberry Pi 4 using SPI mode 1. Okay, what we're trying to do is use this to invert the direction of current flow through the outputs here. So we have one output here, one output there. Green means it's forward. So now we can start the testing GUI, and this will give me, okay, we're calling them coils because this will eventually invert coils. So we have the left one and the right one. We can see they're not inverted right now, and if I click on the inversion, the left one, see, I can invert it, and the right one also. So that is a simple GUI I can use to test. Eventually I'll use this to test the DS1882 also for the volume and tone. Alright, and you can see now if I put them both in inverted mode and I exit, they switch to forward mode. This is the power supply board. That's only the analog voltages and the driving voltages. So this is all just infrastructure to make those two chips work. And the GUI is a simple Python Tkinter GUI. Just a couple of different tools and widgets, and there we go. You can see that the widgets can be used for volume and tone as well. And we can see what happens when we send a command. So you can see the SPI output. When I send an SPI command, those are all the bits that are being sent. Okay, voila, a little bit of fun and a little bit of success. Clean exit, that's what we like to see.